how to fix GitHub. Something went wrong. Please try logging in again. Error on Google AI Studio. So in order to fix this, the first thing that you have to do is go to GitHub, sign into your account, then click on settings here. Now once you click on settings, you will scroll down until you find applications. Click on apps. Now you want to find Google AI Studio. If it gives you this error, it should think that it's installed. So here we will just click on configure. Then you want to go to the danger zone and uninstall it. Once you have uninstalled it, then we will go into authorize GitHub apps here, the second tab, and you want to revoke access for Google AI Studio. Click on I understand and revoke access. Now I'm just going to refresh the page to make sure that it is no longer here. Okay, so we no longer have this. Now what we have to do is click on the three dots of our browser and open up a new incognito window. Then I suggest signing into your account from there, and you should be able to authorize your app, or authorize your accounts and sync it to GitHub. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.